Here I have OUKITEL C33, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by tapping on it once, you can start recording. By holding down your finger on it, nothing happens. So here you can switch audio settings. You can set recording of device, audio, microphone, or both. You can show touches on the screen. So after you tap start, after the countdown, recording starts. So now we can record our screen. So and when you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar, tap stop here, and after that the recording will be saved to the gallery, to the special movies section. And when you're done recording, you just go to the upper bar, tap recording starts. And from here you can share, edit or delete your recording and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.